Welcome back. Well, very clearly, city gas distribution companies are definitely going to be on our radar. But what are the other stocks that you should watch out for this Thursday morning? We have the team standing by with the latest. M&M is going to be in focus, and we're talking about promoters selling some stake here. Vivek, fill us in.
Well, good morning. Absolutely right. So as per sources, and we also accessed the term sheet last evening. So the promoter entity, which is called Prudential Management and Services, is looking to sell close to 93 lakh shares. This is possibly going to be as part of the block deal window itself. 0.75% stake is what they're looking to sell. The price range for this particular block deal has a discount. 1,911 is the base price. Now, M&M also went ahead and clarified to the exchanges. They said that this particular sale by the promoter entity is to meet some liquidity requirements, and they said that they do not foresee any more sale coming in from the promoter entity in the near future at least.
All right, so that's about M&M. A lot of promoters exiting or perhaps cashing in. M&M added to that list. But Vivek, you have another one as well. That's NLC India, where the government wants to offload some stake.
Well, absolutely right. So NLC India, the main reason the government is looking to pare its stake is that they need to go ahead and meet the minimum public shareholding norms of holding only up to 75% as far as the listed entity is concerned. So NLC India, the government is looking to sell up to 7% stake. The route that they've chosen is the OFS, that is the offer for sale route. The base size is close to 5%, which works out to around 1,470 crore that the government will mop up. They have an additional 2% green shoe option that they may exercise, looking at how the subscription is. The floor price for this particular OFS is at 212 rupees a share. That is a little over 6% discount to yesterday's closing price. So mainly to meet the minimum public shareholding norm, where the government holds over 79.4% stake, they have gone ahead with this OFS.
All right, Vivek, thanks very much. We'll be back with CGD company. Sonal is here. Sonal.
Well, I'll tell you quickly, IGL has gone ahead. They've cut the CNG prices by 2.5 rupees per kg. MK says other companies like GAIL, Adani Total Gas, they've also cut prices, and they say it could be because of government's intervention. However, they're sure that there'll be no price intervention going forward. It's just ahead of election years that these particular remarks are made as well. And we spoke to the PNGRB, where they said they will not intervene into the pricing mechanism, and they just don't want them to earn supernormal profits at the cost of consumers. Nuvama said they view the 15% knee-jerk dip in the MGL stock as an idle buying opportunity, and after the price cut, volumes should see a boost. So brokerages are sanguine on the space.
Okay, all right. Let's see if there's going to be any green after the big cuts that we saw yesterday. Thank you, Sonal, for that. Back to Vivek. Vivek, I know you're watching out for IRB. I think the toll collection data is out. There's also JSW Energy. Just tell us more about both of these stocks.
Well, that's right. So IRB Infra, what the company has done is they've given a joint update of both the listed entity as well as the private InvIT. So toll collections for February, remember February this year had 29 days versus just 28 days last year. So it's up 31% on a year-on-year basis, coming in at 462 crore versus 351 crore last year around. And the company has also said that they expect this strong momentum to continue as far as toll collection is concerned. The second stock, like you mentioned, is JSW Energy. Some relief coming in there. The Himachal Pradesh High Court has gone ahead and set aside a ruling where they were required to pay close to 199 crore, which was a water cess. So some relief coming in for there. Expect a bit of green both on IRB Infra as well as JSW Energy.
Thanks a lot for that, Vivek. Well, let's wrap it up with Upasna then. She's watching a bunch of other stocks as well. Upasna.
First up is HAL. The company has signed an amendment to LCA IOC contract, and value is revised upwards from 2,701 crores to 5,078 crores. Next up is Jupiter Wagons on the back of order win. The company secures order worth 957 from Ministry of Railways, and the company and this order is mainly to manufacture and supply 2,237 wagons. Next up is Prestige Estates. The company has announced launch of its new luxury residential project in Bangalore, and the project spread is almost 6.5 acres of land and has a revenue potential of almost 800 crores is what the management has indicated. Hence, these three stocks will remain in focus today.
Okay, got that, Upasana. Thank you very much for the latest. Let's quickly recap our list of top stocks to watch. The ones that have positive news flow around them are IRB Infra, JSW Energy, Hindustan Aeronautics, Jupiter Wagons, and Prestige Estates. The ones that have negative news flow around them are, of course, M&M, NLC India, where there's an OFS, and then the city gas distributors, IGL, MGL, and Gujarat Gas.